We put a standard and heavy-duty grill through 3 controlled impact tests: drop, throw, and batting. New grills each round. Let's see what happens. First up, T-ball. Now step it up with the baseball. Okay, let's try a softball. And now a basketball. Last test, a 15-pound kettlebell. And let's do it again on that heavy-duty grill. Wow, look at that. The heavy-duty grill is still intact, just some dents. The standard grill, however, different story. The drop test is done. Now we're taking it outside. Time to try the baseball. Next, we bring in the softball. Last throw, the basketball. Once again, that is quite a bit of damage on that S580. However, the heavy-duty grill still looks brand new. Batter up. Time for round 3. Next up, baseball, full swing. Last but not least, the softball. One more swing at the S5480. There is some bending on the heavy-duty blades, but just look at what happened to the S580. Same tests, same impacts, different grills, and very different results. So when it's time to choose between standard and heavy-duty, for a gymnasium, an industrial application, or any high-impact space, the choice is clear.